Hi, in the last lecture we talked about formatting the text. Another formatting style that we missed in previous lectures, that is HR. HR stands for horizontal rule. That's a horizontal line. You can see here, horizontal line is in between the paragraph. This is used for dividing the section. Now, in this lecture, we look at order list and unordered list. These are the two main things in HTML. So first, I simply save it, and here I refresh. Nothing is here because I have removed anything from editor. Now, if I like unordered list, that stands for UL. UL stands for unordered list, and that is the closing tag. Now, in unordered list, we make a further list item that we use tag here li. Li tag stands for list item, in which we list our things that we return. So first I write here apple, then next list item banana, then next list item orange. If I save it and here I refresh, so you can see here there is a list of apple, banana, orange, etc. So that is unordered list. Now we talk about order list. Order list tags ol order list. In order list, we have further list item that we show in our browser. So I write here apple. I write same things because you can clearly understand what the meaning is. Banana and orange. If I save it and reload, you can see here apple, banana, orange list is made, and here you can see this is an order. Order means that has a certain order that starts with 1 2 3 4 5, and that is unordered because there is no order here. In order list we have further attributes. Attributes enhance the tag's functionality. So I write here order list attributes. If I write here start and 10, save it and refresh, you can see here now our order starts from 10 11 12. You can write anything here. If I write 15, that's our order list starts from 15. I save it and refresh, so you can see here 15 16 17 means our order list starts from here. Another attributes I write here reversed, save it, reload, so you can see now our order is 3 2 1 means that reverse. Furthermore attributes, if I write here type, so you can see here type. If I write a and save it, so you can see now our order starts from a b c. If I write small a and save it and refresh, now you can see our order starts from small abc. So that is the order list and unordered list that we use for our listing items in our websites. So here we end this lecture. Hope you understand. Please like our video and subscribe if you not yet subscribed, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.